Your thumb moves before you are fully awake. A glow, a buzz, a scroll, and your morning attention is gone. By evening, your mind feels like a browser with 12 tabs open and music playing from an unknown one. If that sounds familiar, this digital detox challenge is for you. Welcome to Better Self. Here, you grow as a person while improving your English. Clear language, practical habits, a calmer mind. Today, you'll get a step-by-step plan to unplug and recharge from screens. No extreme rules, no guilt. You'll build a daily rhythm that protects your focus, your energy, and your sleep. You'll learn small changes that make a big difference, like how to redesign your phone, create screen-free windows, and enjoy real-life moments again. By the end, you'll have a simple routine you can start today, and you'll understand the words and phrases you hear, because we keep the English clear and direct. Ready to take back your attention? Chapter 1. Know your baseline. Before any detox, you need a starting point. Guessing is not enough. Most people underestimate their screen time by hours. A friend of mine, Maya, thought she used her phone about 2 hours a day. Her phone showed 5 hours and 40 minutes. No wonder she felt tired. Today, check your device stats. On most phones, you can see screen time or digital well-being. Write down 3 numbers, total hours, top 3 apps, and how many pickups you had. These numbers tell a story. Do you unlock your phone every 5 minutes? Do short breaks become long scrolls? Now ask a simple question. Why do you reach for your screen? Common reasons are boredom, stress, loneliness, or habit. Choose your main reason and write 1 line. I scroll because this honest line will guide your plan. Create a tiny map for your week. Circle 2 moments when you usually get lost online, maybe late at night and during lunch. These are your first targets. For the next 7 days, we will practice new habits there. Small step to try. Move 1 tempting app off your home screen. Hiding it adds friction. Little speed bumps that slow you down. Notice what happens tomorrow when your thumb searches and finds nothing. Does the urge pass after 10 seconds? Often it does. Reflection to anchor. When you unlock your phone, what are you actually looking for? Information, connection, or relief? Chapter 2. Make distraction hardy. Awareness is step 1. Step 2 is design. Don't rely on willpower every minute. Build an environment that helps you. Think of your phone like candy. If a bowl of sweets sits on your desk, you will eat them. If the bowl is in a cupboard, you might forget it. The same is true with screens. Start with your phone. Set your home screen to blank, or keep only tools like camera, maps, and calendar. Move social apps and games to a folder on the last page. Better yet, log out. Each extra step creates friction, which is good here. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Keep only what you must respond to quickly, like messages from family or work emergencies. Badges and red dots are tiny alarms. They steal attention. Remove them. Use grayscale mode in the evening. Without bright colors, apps feel less exciting. Place your charger outside your bedroom. Buy a simple alarm clock. Yes, an actual clock. When the phone sleeps in another room, your brain can rest. Create a landing zone near your door, a small box for devices. When you come home, drop your phone there. Choose 1 room as a screen-free space, maybe the dining area. When the rule is clear, decisions are easy. Mini story. Tom loved watching videos while cooking. He started leaving his phone in the hallway and played music on a small speaker instead. Cooking became slower, calmer, and more fun. He said, "I taste my food again." Try this today. Choose 1 friction change. No phone in the bedroom, or no social apps on the home screen. Notice how many times your hand reaches for what is not there. Chapter 3. Protect detox windows. Now that your environment helps you guard your time, create daily detox windows. Small screen-free blocks that protect your mind. Think of them as morning and evening, bookends that hold your day together. Pick 2. The first hour after waking, the last hour before sleep, and meal times. You can start with 15 minutes and build up. In the morning, move through a simple routine without your phone. Drink water, stretch, breathe for 1 minute, and read 2 pages of a paper book. You begin your day with your own thoughts, not someone else's feed. At night, set a wind-down alarm 1 hour before bed. Plug your phone in outside the bedroom. Dim the lights. Take a warm shower or write 5 lines in a notebook. 1 win, 1 worry released. 1 person you appreciate. Sleep is when your brain cleanses itself. Blue light and late night scrolling delay that process. For meals, try the face down, far away rule. Put the phone screen down and out of reach. Talk, taste, choose slowly. You will be surprised how different a meal feels when you are truly present. Example. Anna used a 15-minute no-screen start to her day. She made coffee and sat near the window. After 2 weeks, that quiet block grew to 30 minutes. She said her mind felt clearer than any strong espresso. Micro-action. Schedule your detox windows in your calendar. Treat them as appointments with your future self. The phone stays out. Life comes in. Chapter 4. Batch your attention. Even with detox windows, work and life need screens. The key is to control when you check, not to check all day. This is batching, grouping similar tasks so your brain stays focused. Try the 1-3-1 plan. Each day, choose 1 deep work block, 60, 90 minutes, with your phone in another room. 3 message checks, for example, 10:30, 1:30, 5:30, to reply to emails and chats. 1 short catch-up at night for anything small. Set a simple timer. During deep work, close extra tabs. Keep only what you need. If a thought pops up, check the news. Write it on a sticky note and return to your task. Your mind learns. I don't need to obey every impulse. For meetings or study time, use the single screen rule. 1 screen, 1 purpose. If you take notes, use paper or keep the notes window only. Multitasking feels productive, but it splits attention and slows you down. Mini story. Lee was a teacher who felt buried by messages. She set 3 check times and trained parents to expect replies in those windows. After a week, the volume felt manageable, and she stopped jumping at every ping. Micro-action. Choose your message check times right now and put them in your calendar. Tell 1 person about your new rhythm. Clear expectations. Reduce stress. By batching, you reduce constant context switching, the mental cost of moving from one thing to another. Your energy lasts longer, and your day feels calmer. Chapter 5. Tame social media. Social media is a powerful tool, but it is designed for endless use. The goal is not never again. The goal is use on purpose. A simple rule can help. Enter with a plan. Leave when the plan is done. Before you open an app, say your intent in 1 short sentence. I will check messages from my cousin. Or, I will post 1 photo and reply to 2 comments. If your thumb wants to wander, read your intent again. A sticky note on your computer can remind you. Search, then leave. Reduce what pulls you in. Unfollow or mute 50 accounts that don't add value. Your feed becomes lighter. Turn off autoplay if possible. Fewer triggers, more control. Consider a desktop-only week for the most addictive apps. Delete them from your phone. Use them only on your computer at set times. That extra step stops mindless checks. Word to know. Doom scrolling. Endless, negative scrolling that raises stress. When you notice it, name it softly. I am doom scrolling. Naming breaks the spell. Then stand up, drink water, and look out a window for 30 seconds. Mini story. Priya moved her social media to desktop only. At first, she felt a gap during bus rides. She filled it with a short podcast and looking at the city. Later, she said, I didn't miss anything important, but I gained a quiet mind. Try this today. Write your intent sentence before you open any social app. When you finish the task, close the app. Simple, Clear, done. Chapter 6. Fill the space well. If you remove screens, what will fill the space? To keep your detox strong, prepare good replacements. Think of it like changing your diet. You don't just cut sugar, you add real food that gives energy. Make an offline menu of tiny actions you enjoy. Examples: a slow walk, 10 push-ups, brewing tea, stretching your back, drawing a small sketch, cleaning one shelf, reading 3 pages, calling a friend, or sitting on a bench and watching the sky. These are simple, but they feed your attention in a calm way. Create a small go bag with a paperback book, a pen, and a pocket notebook. When you are in a line or on a train, reach for the book, not the phone. Old school, but it works. Train your boredom muscle. Boredom is not the enemy. It is a doorway to ideas. Sit for 2 minutes doing nothing. Notice your breath. Listen to sounds. Let your mind wander. Often, new thoughts appear when you stop feeding your brain constant stimulation. Mini story. Omar replaced late-night videos with a puzzle on his kitchen table. 10 minutes became 20. After a week, his sleep improved. He said, "My head feels quieter at bedtime." Micro-action. Choose one replacement activity for each trigger moment you listed in Chapter 1. Put tools in place now. Book by the couch, shoes by the door, watercolors on the desk. Reflection check-in. Which offline activity gives you energy with almost zero effort? Keep that one close. Let's bring it together. First, awareness beats guessing. Know your baseline. Second, design your space so distraction is hard. Third, protect detox windows and batch your attention. And finally, don't just remove screens. Fill your life with good, simple activities. This challenge is not about perfection. It's about freedom, owning your time, your energy, and your focus. Keep the English you hear today in your pocket. Clear words for a clear mind. Small steps, repeated, will change how you feel every day. If this helped, consider subscribing to Better Self. You'll grow as a person while improving your English, one calm lesson at a time. One more thing. Let's make it real. What is the first screen-free window you will protect this week? Write your answer in the comments.